Hi, my name's Victoria Berry. I live just outside of Lincoln City in a village called Welton, and I am an advocate, which means I look after people and give them a voice under the Mental Health Act, the Mental Capacity Act. And we moved here about 3 months ago after we sold our house with Springbok. We lived in our previous house for just over 6 years, and we decided we wanted to sell because we'd spent 6.5 years in this grade 2 listed building. We'd done a lot of work to it, and it was time to reap the benefit of selling it and moving to something simpler. So I started looking in probably June last year to find somebody to sell the house, and I did consider normal high street estate agents, and then we decided we really didn't want to spend time messing around with viewings and chains. So I did a bit of a Google search, and at first I was quite apprehensive about like cash companies, so that people who offered you cash for your homes. But I found Springbok, and after a good chat with them, I decided I quite liked what they offered. So we came to an agreement on our price that both parties were happy with. Unfortunately, we were a while because we wanted to get some extra work done on the house. So we eventually, I think something like the 4th of October, signed up with Springbok, went live on the 5th, and sold the house on the 6th of October. And then straight away I decided to instruct with Springbok, obviously their legal team, there's no fee to us, which was brilliant. We knew that the price we got for the house, there was nothing extra to pay for. It was all included, so that gave us peace of mind for what we wanted to look for. So I signed up with the legal team, and actually, as it happens, I used them also to purchase our next home. We knew we had a guaranteed sale, and we were comfortable with that. It gave us time. So the reason we decided to go with Springbok in the end, out of all the other companies that I looked at, but to be honest, Springbok stood out from the rest, was because, first of all, I loved the sales team. They were great. They were really helpful. They were very supportive. The price we were getting for the house was the price. And then we moved on to the progression team, which there was a particular fondness of one of the team who supported me all the way through the sale to the day we moved, and that was Tarek. Very informative, always ringing up to check how we were. It was just easy to sell the house with Springbok.